Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for tonight, we're gonna check our weekly trades, how far they've gone, but I didn't do the weekly setup, so I'm just gonna do the midweek review. Just gonna show you some of the pairs that I've entered the trades on. So the first pair we're gonna check is gold. Let me just minimize so you can see it. So as remember correctly, if you do check my setups or my analysis, you'll remember that this is what I have for gold. Remember, this is the the higher time frame. As you can see, this is a reversal pattern on the weekly time frame. I'll just go down to the smaller time frame so you can see what I'm seeing inside this bigger time frame. As you can see, let me just, so you can see clearly, let me just remove these old ones. As you remember, I said we're looking for a third touch, then we're going to the upside. As you can see, this is the arrow that I showed you with. So as you can see, this is a beautiful continuation pattern to the upside. I just want to show you so you can see it. This is our impulse. This is our impulse. This is an impulse, and this is a correction. So now we know it was correcting. So what we're looking for now is a buy opportunity to go to the upside. So as you can see, this is our first, our second touch, third touch, then we're going to the upside. So now what we're looking for is an entry, the entry to the upside. That is what we're looking for now. As you can see, let me just show you this. If like this doesn't make sense, then like this it doesn't make sense. So as you can see, let me just go down to smaller time frame. Normally, you know, I'll wait for a break, retest, then that's when I'll go up with it. But for now, I'll just show you first event. Yes, the lines are correct. So now what we're seeing here is another continuation to the upside. So what I was waiting for was for it to break, come for a retest, then go to the upside. As you can see, it wanted to go to the downside, but there's too many rejections, meaning this is a strong zone. There's too many rejections. It's showing us that we're going to the upside. So I'll just have to go to maybe the smaller time frame, for example the 15-minute time frame. Then that's when I know surely I will get an entry here, because I couldn't get an entry there. So here I'll be waiting for my entry on this pair. Remember, this is gold. If I said GBP, I made a mistake. This is gold. So this is what I'll be waiting for on gold. Normally I was gonna wait for it to break, come for a retest, then I would go in, but because it's not coming back, as you can see that it created another continuation pattern to the upside. So this is what I'll be waiting for. Just wait for it to break. After it breaks, come for a retest, then that's when I go in. Then I know that we're going to the upside. So this is what I'll be waiting for on gold. Just wait for it to break this pattern. Just wait for it to break this continuation pattern. I know that if it's a pattern like this, I know for surely that it's a continuation pattern. We're going to the upside. So I'll just wait maybe after an hour or so. But this is the 15-minute time frame, don't forget that. I'll wait for it to break, come for a retest, then go up with it. So this is the setup that I have for gold. There's also, you can see also here, this is also a continuation pattern. So this is what we're waiting for. As you can see, it is rejecting now. So rejecting. So now I know that I'll just have to wait for an entry. As you can see here, so rejecting, it's telling us that we're going to the upside. So it has high pip value. If you have a small account, please be careful, because you see it's starting to move. So I'm just gonna, as you can see, it's breaking as we speak. I thought after 1 hour, but as you can see now, it's breaking as we speak. So just gonna have to wait for it to break, then come down for a retest, then that's when I can go up with it. So this is the setup that I have for gold. I'm gonna enter it. Just have to wait for it and see what it does. But a buy opportunity, that's what I'm seeing on gold. If you're seeing something else, please comment down below and tell me what you're seeing, because I'm seeing a buy here. I'm seeing a buy entry here on gold, and it is a nice setup. As you can see, the continuation pattern, then another continuation pattern. So it's showing us that we're going to the upside. As you can see, the momentum, the candlestick momentums are heavy, so it's showing us that it has the momentum to go to the upside. So let's check the other pair. The other pair we're gonna look at is GBP USD. So let's go down to the, I think we should start. Normally when I start trading, or when I start to analyze, I normally go to the higher time frame first, so I can know what's happening. Then that's when I can go to the smaller time frame, knowing what's happening. So as you can see, this is also a very big continuation pattern to the upside. As you can see, this is a continuation pattern. We know if it broke, but remember guys, this is the monthly time frame. I'll just go down to the smaller time frames so you can see it. But as you can see, we're seeing a buy opportunity here also, but just showing you on the monthly time frame. I'll go for smaller time frames, but normally, you know, when it breaks, it broke, then we see here that is a strong zone, so we wanna wait for a retest, then after that we're going to the upside. But these are for long trades. Let's go down to let's go down to smaller time frames. So this is thing also here. This is a bigger time frame. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Yeah. In the 4 hours much better. So there, remember the rejection that we saw on that monthly time frame. We know that we're looking for our sell here. We know that it broke, but it has to go for a retest. So now this is the retest happening. So as you can see here, it broke, came for a retest, went down, had a strong momentum to the upside, but this zone here is a strong zone. So it is showing us that we have the momentum to go to the downside. As you can see, even if I go to smaller time frames, maybe for example the 1 hour, I'm certain that I will also see another reversal pattern. As you can see, this is the bigger reversal pattern, so normally it will complete our 90% rule, and we know that our 90% rule, our target is gonna be here. So this is GBP USD on the 4 hour. So let's just go down to the 1 hour time frame so we can see what is happening. There's something that I'm also seeing here. Let me just show you on the 1 hour first, then I'll go back to the 4 hour. I am seeing another reversal pattern to the downside. First, second, third touch couldn't happen. I'll just go down to the 15-minute. So I'm waiting for a sell opportunity, obviously here. So this is our third touch was supposed to touch here, but it couldn't, so I missed the entry. So what I'll be waiting for now is for this pattern to create something like this, wait for it to break, then come for a retest, then that's when I go in. With my sell entries. Then I know after it has retested, surely we're going to the downside. Our first target obviously is going to be here. It won't be much, but as we saw on the 4 hour time frame, we also have a big continuation pattern, so obviously that's going to be our target. So this is what I will also be waiting for on GBP USD. And I'm also seeing, as you can see, this is a reversal pattern. What I'm seeing, this is the first opportunity that I'm seeing on GBP USD. So the other thing I am seeing here, let me go down to the 4 hour, that's where I can see clearly, because there I can't. So you should always be careful, because this is what I saw, this is what I'm also seeing on GBP USD. Let me just remove these old ones. So here I'm seeing two options. So I'll just have to have these two patterns in order for me to see. Let me just evolve it. So the other one that I'm seeing, first, second, third touch rejected. So I can also wait for this, wait to break, come for a retest, then go to the upside, because we know that this is the bigger time frame says it's a buy, but the short time frame we're seeing a sell because it is correcting. It broke that bigger structure. So this is the other opportunity I'm seeing on GBP USD. This is the other opportunity I'm seeing, guys. So I see two opportunities on this. Let me just go down. I just want to show you here. Just want to show you all the opportunities on GBP USD. So just be on the lookout, be careful with it, be really careful. So you see what it might do. It might break this structure, come for a retest or go to the upside, or it might come and break this smaller structure here. Might come and do this break, come for a retest, then still goes down. So I'm seeing two opportunities on this pair on GBP USD. So just be careful, guys, be extremely careful, because I will just have to wait for it. It's either wait for it here or wait for it here. So there's two opportunities. I'll just wait for it to see how it plays, and whichever way I'm going down with it. I'm not going against the trend, I'm not going against the market. I'm going with the momentum. So if the momentum, it says it's going down, then I'm just gonna wait for a retest, then go down with it, even if I know that the bigger time frame says buy, but if the smaller time frame says sell, then I'm going down with a sell, then until I see a continuation pattern. That's when I know we're going to the upside. But as you can see here, the bigger time frame is a continuation pattern and the smaller time frame is a reversal pattern. So let's just be really careful on this. I will just show you on Friday how it went on GBP USD. Also gold, as you remember when we are just analyzing it, we could see an entry. So as you can see, it rejected. We were looking for a buy, but still gonna wait for it and see how it goes. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day.